Enhancing biosecurity measures on your farm helps protect the health of both plants and animals. Biosecurity workshops are organized and delivered locally by the Ontario Soil and Crop Improvement Association. Certified crop advisor Alan Krezel explains that attending the one-day course is the first step in understanding how an on-farm biosecurity program can protect crops and livestock from pests and disease. Participating in a biosecurity workshop is very important, and it has many benefits. It's necessary to take the time to really think about on-farm biosecurity. During the workshop, you'll analyze potential biosecurity risks on your farm and make decisions on the best management practices to implement that can help to bring about some very important changes. Workshops are customized by commodity, ranging from crops and dairy to beef and bees. Depending on the topic, participants work with a certified crop advisor like Krezel or a veterinarian to review case studies and identify biosecurity protocols to address specific risks for their operation. The biosecurity workshop is very enjoyable, and it's not very long. We have a lot of discussions. We do a lot of exercises. We chat. I share my knowledge with the participants, and they share their experiences with the rest of the group. They tell us what improvements they've made on their farm. When they go back to their farm after the workshop, they finalize their biosecurity plan and implement it. Maxime Cannell manages a third-generation dairy farm with his father, Luke, in Moose Creek, Ontario. The Cannells milk 70 cows and farm 450 acres, including field crops. They're committed to building a strong on-farm biosecurity program. The biosecurity workshop helped us with our calf project, as well as with the development of an action plan, so that we could implement biosecurity measures to prevent the transmission of diseases within the barn, as well as outside the barn. Attending the workshop has had many benefits. It helped us view the farm in a new light, and that allowed us to improve our biosecurity protocols here at the farm. The Cannells Action Plan includes new separate group housing for calves and other biosecurity protocols, including restricted access for visitors. After taking the workshop last spring, we implemented our calf project that created real separation between the calves and the lactating cows. We also made some changes to milking protocols. We now have boots and clothes that stay in the barn. We also installed signs to restrict access to visitors. All this was done with the idea to prevent the transmission of bacterial disease between visitors and animals, as well as between calves and cows. Maxime says biosecurity will play an important role in the sustainability of the family farm. He believes the return on time invested in a biosecurity workshop is very significant. I recommend the biosecurity workshop to farmers for many reasons. To gain a better understanding of biosecurity on the farm, to better assess your farm in order to limit potential infections and diseases, to gain a new perspective of the whole operation, and to really grasp the reasons why biosecurity is so important. I believe it's a workshop that all farmers should attend. At the end of the day, they will have a healthier and more profitable operation. The Ontario Soil and Crop Improvement Association offers a variety of free workshops and webinars to help take your farm's profitability, productivity, and sustainability to the next level. To find a biosecurity workshop near you, visit www.ontariosoilcrop.org.